On today's video, we're going to replace this leaking waste valve right here in our kitchen sink. This one here is pretty rusted out, so I'm pretty sure we're going to have to cut it off. So let's go ahead and remove our plumbing.
No.
Yep, we have to cut this one off, so we're going to go ahead and cut it right here and remove the drain here. Clean it up.
Alright.
This one here is a 3-inch by 2-inch TNS drain valve. So let's go ahead and put it together.
Plastilina. Plastilina.
Okay. Plastilina. Go ahead and put some plumber's putty down here. Goes on bottom. It's on top. Got esto. Ponelo right there. Do this. Yeah. Right there. The rubber gasket on bottom, plumber's putty on top. It's a Sloan, but it'll work. Let me see. Go ahead and tighten her up. Now let's go ahead and do our PVC fittings. There it is there. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.